Hi, everyone. My name is Tahia Lamir. Welcome to the light. I am a Vedic astrologer. I'm here to show you how to use Parashara's light. And today we're going to focus on how to create your first chart. You'll see I am using Parashara's light in 9.0. This version is available both on a Mac and a PC. And if you have any versions that are lower than this, the process will be the same. The first thing you see is this gray space. This is called your chart workspace. This is where the chart will populate. So what we're going to do first is click on File, click on New, and you will see here a data entry pop-up box. So this is where you plug in all the information you need to create a chart. You'll see there's 4 tabs here: birth data, event, lineage, and notes. For right now, we are just going to focus on birth data. So the first thing here is name. This is either your name, if you're creating your own chart, your client's name, an event, a prajna. You can customize this to whatever you are creating the chart for. So we are going to call this chart the Mystic, just to give it a little bit more of a creative name. Then you'll see here the next step is gender. And you have 2 options, male or female. This references the traditional Vedic software where the options represent the gender that the person was born with. So this is not what they identify with. Maybe this will change, but for right now, we've got 2 options. So I'm just going to click on female. And then the next couple of sections are critical. As you know, the date, time, and location are very important. So for the date, this is the date the person was born with or the date of the event. And we are just going to make up a date here and say January 2nd, 1997. The time is very important. As you know, this is a very critical component to create a chart. If you are off by even a few minutes, this will impact the Vargas, this will impact the ascendant, the moon's nakshatras, and its padas. So we want to be very precise here. So I'm just going to make this up that this person was born at 2:24 in the morning. You have a list of countries you can choose from. I'm going to leave this on USA. You just click out of it to get out of it. Since we're in the United States, we have all 50 states listed, and I'm going to leave it on California and also leave it on Los Angeles. I leave Rodin's rating or Rodin's ratings, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, blank. I know this can be used for historical purposes, but for creating our first chart, we are going to leave it blank. We are going to click on OK. And you can see this creates our first chart. So what do we have here? You'll see this real estate is populated by different things. The first thing is the birth chart or the Rasi. We have the Vargas to the right of it, the dasas below this, and then different components of the chart below. We can certainly customize this, and you can make this to whatever layout you would like to see the first time you can create a chart. So this can be your transits. This can be different dasas. I'm going to leave it as it is right now because I just wanted to show you how to create your first chart. Stay tuned for more as we learn to slice and dice the chart and also how to customize it with different colors and fonts. Thanks for joining. Welcome to the light, and see you next time.